How can legislative changes affect statute of limitations? Imagine you get hurt in an accident and want to file a lawsuit. Now, think about how the rules for how long you have to act might change over time. That's what legislative changes can do to the statute of limitations. These laws set the deadline for filing personal injury claims, but lawmakers can adjust those deadlines. They might make the time period longer or shorter, which can really impact your ability to seek justice. Usually, the clock starts ticking from the day the injury happens, but laws can change that. For example, some states now start the countdown from when you discover the injury or should have reasonably known about it. This is especially important in cases where injuries don't show up right away. If a law changes the start date, it could give you more time or less time to file your claim. Legislatures can also add exceptions that pause the deadline. For example, if you are a minor or mentally incapacitated, the law might toll or pause the clock until you are able to act. If the defendant leaves the state or hides, the law might also toll the statute. These changes can give injured people more time to file after the tolling event ends. Different types of cases can also have special rules. For example, medical malpractice claims often have different deadlines than car accident cases. If the law changes those rules, it might reset the clock if the injury is ongoing or if multiple incidents happen over time. This can make a big difference in how long you have to bring your case. Claims against government agencies are often affected by stricter rules. Some laws requiring you to give notice within a shorter window, sometimes just a few months after the injury. If the law changes those deadlines, it can either make it easier or harder to file a claim against a government body. Staying updated on these legislative changes is very important. If you miss a deadline because of a law change, your case could be dismissed. That's why lawyers and injured parties need to keep an eye on new laws and amendments. These changes aim to balance protecting defendants from old claims and giving injured people a fair chance to seek compensation. In the end, legislative changes can reshape how long you have to file a personal injury lawsuit, when that time starts, and what exceptions apply. Knowing these updates helps you protect your rights and ensures you don't lose the chance to pursue justice after an injury.